Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter L. Can you think of words that start with the letter L? Good! You're right! Lion, lollipop. There are lots of words that start with the letter L. What is this little girl walking in the countryside with? That's right, it's a lamb. Our color of the week is pink. What kind of things can you think of that are pink? Flamingos are pink. Some flowers are pink. This week, our number is the number 11. It's very easy to draw the number 11. And we are also going to write the word 11. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a heart. What can you think of that's heart-shaped? Some candy is heart-shaped. You can even make a heart shape with your hands. Our sight words are my, not, on, and our. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week!